Hello kids! Today we will learn how to draw a video game. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First, I'm going to draw basic structure of our video game. Draw with me kids. Yes, you are doing right. Now I'm going to make one circle and two buttons like this. Great! Now I'm going to draw three small buttons like this and two small ones like this. Great! Now it's time to draw wire of our video game. Now I'm going to use black marker for enhancing the picture. Great! Our picture is more visible to us now. Now it's coloring time. Wow! We have so many colors. Let's color our picture. Let's do rainbow coloring in our video game. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Purple color. Now I'm going to use blue color. Sea green color for our circular button. Orange color. Pink color. Wow! Amazing! Great job kids! Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.